To enable after-hours trading on Webull, you need to follow a series of steps. First, you must have a Webull account. If you don't have one, sign up and verify your identity. Once your account is set up, log in to the Webull app or website. After logging in, navigate to the Settings or Account section. The exact location may vary depending on the device you are using. In the settings, look for the Trading or Account Preferences option and select it. Next, you will see a list of available trading options, including after-hours trading. Check the box or toggle the switch to enable after-hours trading. You may be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions of after-hours trading. Make sure you read and understand them before proceeding. After-hours trading allows you to buy and sell securities outside of regular trading hours, which is typically from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. However, keep in mind that after-hours trading has its own set of rules and risks, such as lower liquidity and wider spreads. To place an after-hours trade, navigate to the Trade section of the app or website and select the security you want to trade. Choose the after-hours trading option and enter your order details, including the number of shares and the price. Review your order carefully before submitting it, as after-hours trades are final and cannot be cancelled. It is also important to keep in mind that after-hours trading is not available for all securities, so make sure to check the availability before placing a trade. In conclusion, enabling after-hours trading on Webull is a straightforward process that requires you to log into your account, navigate to the settings, and enable the after-hours trading option. Always make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions, and be aware of the risks involved in after-hours trading. By following these steps and being mindful of the risks, you can take advantage of after-hours trading on Webull and make informed investment decisions.